yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. Ooh. And today, guys, we're back in the UK. We're in the UK. Hello, UK. Hello, England. Hello, Manchester. So, you know, when you see me come back in the UK, it's just a couple of artists can make me come back in the UK and do a reaction, right? It's like a handful, probably 5 tops artists in the UK can make me do a reaction right now in the UK. Because every time I do a reaction in the UK, 9 out of 10 times them block it. So I just not bother. I just leave it alone. Because I can't bother put in the work and can't be able to post the videos. You understand? So we're back in the UK with Bugzy Malone. Me G. Bumbleclot G. You know a thing of Bugzy. Bumbleclot. Yeah. You know Bugzy I'm a G and couple others I'm a G. You know Chip I'm a G too. You don't know. So we're there with Mrs. Lonely. Yeah, Mrs. Lonely, the chat call. We're gonna jump in that one and hear what the G say. Let's go, Bugs. Let's go, my G. So that sample there is a all-time classics. Ooh, you're moving too fast, and I don't think it's a classic. All right. This is different.
Yo, dark night, black out, blue jeans. I'm trying to turn over a new leaf. I'm trying to think for a minute, get deep. I get paid, cause I've never been cheap. I need saving.
Voila. Voila, guys. You guys see what he's doing right here now? You know see what I'm doing? Bugzy is aiming for the club scene. The UK club scene. Bugzy are aiming for that scene there. That scene there. Him don't do him doing a grime already. Him not do none of that shit no more. Bugzy I show you say, listen, I'm so versatile. Me go over this so go dip my finger in the water and take it out back and just money. Yeah, money. Bugzy in the club scene, brother. Club fucking scene. I like it. You have to skank when you hear this. Let's go.
Yo.
Yeah.
Dark night, black out, blue jeans.
Yeah.
I'm trying to turn over a new leaf.
True.
I'm trying to think for a minute, get deep. I get paid, cause I've never been cheap.
Right.
I need saving. I might go to the church on Sunday, but I never get sleep.
I need saving, but I might go to the church on a Sunday, but I never get. Well.
Never been cheap. I need saving. I might go to the church on Sunday, but I never get sleep.
Yeah.
I'm impatient when I get one, take a 1, 2, but she doesn't have me on scene. See me on my dreams when I get low. Better mind out who you call bro. She told me that I'm like a best friend. I sidestep when they're trying to get close.
That youth is a fucking genius. He is a fucking genius. Whether you rate him or not, you have to give Bugzy him props. You have to give this guy's flowers, bro. You have to give him Bugzy different, bro. Him different. Bugzy different.
I might go to the church on Sunday, but I never get sleep.
Yeah.
I'm impatient when I get one, take a 1, 2, but she doesn't have me on scene. See me on my dreams when I get low. Better mind out who you call bro. She told me that I'm like a best friend. I sidestep when they're trying to get close. I eat well like I'm on a canteen. Couple jail bars from my old team. I done a 10 stretch in a routine. There's no level up if you don't dream. Then the dark sets in. She pops up and you start texting, but she don't text back. When the moon's covered in glass and the night sky pitch black. When the clock strikes 12 midnight, you watch the world sleep. I am the only girl tonight. That's playing on your mind. He's missing lonely night.
Stop that
Yo! He's making it look so effortless. He's doing it so calm, so effortless. Listen, let's go, yeah.
Yo, dark night, black out, blue jeans. I'm trying to turn over a new leaf. I'm trying to think for a minute, get deep. I get paid, cause I've never been cheap. I need saving, I might go to the church on Sunday, but I never get sleep. I'm impatient when I get one, take a 1, 2, but she doesn't have me on scene. See me on my dreams when I get low. Better mind out who you call bro. She told me that I'm like a best friend. I sidestep when they're trying to get close. I eat well like I'm on a canteen. Jail bars from my old team. I done a 10 stretch in a routine. There's no level up if you don't dream.
Move.
The dark sets in. She pops up and you start texting, but she don't text back. When the moon's covered in glass and the night sky's pitch black. When the clock strikes 12 midnight, you watch the world sleep. I am the only girl tonight. That's playing on your mind. His missus loneliness, and lonely is the way she'll make you feel emptiness. You can't avoid her. She's beautiful, no less. She'll mesmerize you with the way she makes you feel whole. You can't avoid her.
For the people. Bugs is for the people. Bugs is for the fucking people. That's why you have to rate this guy. He's for the fucking people. In the hype and him fans them. Look at Bugsy out in the street just taking pictures with people. With him fans them.
Success, no pain, no gain. We take risks, cause we never play safe.
Yeah.
It's dangerous, so we keep a low profile. It gets high profile when you say names. It's draining, so I might go to the gym in the morning and start hitting up weights. It's raining, so I might go to the airport, catch a flight, I'm trying to hit Spain. Big night, trust with the Don H. There's an attraction when you set pace. In the caption, you can play games. It moves fast when you're on the same wave. Influenced by spirits, suddenly you got lyrics. I was just turning to minutes. How did you leave with the digits? There's no rest for the wicked. In a room full of women, she's still laughing and grinning. Whether you're losing or winning, in the end or the beginning, there's no rest for the wicked. When the clock strikes 12 midnight, you watch the world sleep. I am the only girl tonight. That's playing on your mind. His missus loneliness, and lonely is the way she'll make you feel emptiness. You can't avoid her. She's beautiful, no less. She'll mesmerize you with the way she makes you feel hopeless. You can't avoid her.
Woo! Yo, this guy is a real fucking entertainer, bro. The man have a perfume. The man have a perfume now. 42. Jesus Christ. From JD, tracksuit, sneakers, trainers, to movie. Yo. Bugzy is one of those artists that's singing things and they must show you. He's proving it. This is why I have to rate somebody like but the journey from sleeping on a sofa to having nothing to this guy is a fucking genius, brother. Like, he's a genius and he doesn't have a big corporate team behind him. He doesn't have it. Bugzy do it by himself, like Bugzy and Bugzy team, bro. This guy is a genius, and this is why I have to rate Bugzy. And this is why every time Bugzy drop a track, I have to react to it. Because me just rate Bugzy, bro. Like, Bugzy different, bro. And some people sometimes ask me, say, why you rate Bugzy? What is about Bugzy? Bugzy is walking, living proof that if him can do it from his background, if him can do it, whatever can do it. This is why I have to rate somebody like this, bro. Bugzy is a fucking G. Brother, big up yourself, dog. Bugs, big up your fucking self, me G. I wish you nothing but more and more success, brother. You see me? Yeah. Guys, Bugzy is coming for the club scene. I said it. Me enjoy that one, yeah. Me enjoy this. Like, literally enjoy this, bro. Bugzy always just surprises you, bro. Like, I'm so proud of Bugzy, G. No joke. I'm proud of Bugzy. Bugzy, big up yourself, man, G. Big up Bugzy team. Enough talking. If you enjoy the reaction, I want to see more from you, G. You know what to do, man. Subscribe around there if you are new, cause you don't know. Say yo, subscribing is free and it does help us as content creators. It does motivate us to keep pushing on. You understand? So yeah, big up yourself, Bugs. This one I'm gonna leave down and still. If you enjoy that one and want some more, you know if you do already. I'm said that already. I will see you in the next one. Buckler, Bugsy come for the club scene.